Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. As we have usually seen while filling the forms that there are some lists that are in the form of drop-down and you have to select from that list, just like you need to select the country from a list of countries that you are whether residing in and whatever the requirement is. So for that there is an option that you can use to create in the Microsoft Excel as well. For that purpose, what you have to do, you have to create the list of the countries or the list of the values that you want to be appear in the drop down list in another sheet. Like I have created another sheet and I have written the names of the few countries as it's just a sample in the sheet that I want in the drop down list to appear. So what I have to do, I have to go back there and I have to select the cell in which I want the drop down list to appear, and then I have to go to the data tab. In the data tab we have the data tool section, and here we have a data validation option. So I will click on this data validation option and here I will see the settings. In the settings and under this allow value, what you have to select is you have to select a list because you want the list to appear there, and then you have to select the source. Now what is source? Source is basically the data from that is going to be appear in the list. So for that we have to give the address of the source. I'll go to the sheet, then I'll go to select the cells. After selecting the cells, it will take its address by itself. Then I will go to the input message. Input message is what message should be displayed below this. That will tell you any information that you want to display there, like enter, or you can say select any one. Select any one. So you have to select one country, and if you want to write any message here, that you can also do, but I will left it as blank. Then in the error alert, if someone try to enter a country name that is not in the drop down list, there should be an error in that case. For that purpose, you have the options whether you want to stop it, you want to show the warning, or you want to show the information. So if I say I will click on the warning, and what message will appear? That select from the list, that you can't enter by yourself. So these are the optional things that you need to do. It's all depends on your choice. So the most important things are in the settings, that you have to select this list and you have to give the source, and that's it. All other things, input message, error alert, all these are optional. Then you have to click on OK. So after clicking the OK, you can see an arrow here. This is the drop down list. If I click on the drop down list, you can see the list of the countries that I can select anyone that I want to select. It all depends on me. So these are the countries that are from this list that we have already mentioned here. So now if you want to delete this drop down list, what you have to do? You have to select this cell. Then again you have to go to this data tools, then data validation, and here you have the option of clear all. You just need to click on the clear all and then you can easily get rid of this list. So now there is no drop down list here. Now one more thing here is, if I tried, I have also told you, if someone tried to enter the country that is not in the list and press enter, see this message will appear that I have already told you select from the list. That it means that you have to select from the given list. So it will give you the warning. So if you want to continue, you will press yes, and then you can select from the, if I want to select from here, so I will just select any country I want. So this is how you can create the drop down list in Microsoft Excel. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.